Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a huge beauty haul and I have so much stuff to show you in this video. Some of them are brand new purchases, some of them I have tried before and I absolutely love them, so I decided to repurchase them. And this isn't just from one store, this is from quite a few different stores and online, and it's not over just one shopping, it's actually over about 2 or 3 months, and I've just accumulated all these. Some of them I've tried out before, some of them I haven't, so I'll let you know which ones I've tried out and let you know how I feel about them. And some of them I am wearing on my face at the moment. So if you're new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and also make sure you hit the bell icon just so you're notified every time I load a new video. So I'm sorry if this video is super long, but I do have quite a lot of stuff in here, and some of the things I'm so excited to try out. Some of them I have tried out and I really do like them, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything that I have. So if you want to see everything that I have in this beauty haul, then just keep watching. So the first things I'm going to show you are from Illuminate Cosmetics, and that's the makeup brand that's owned by Ashley Tisdale. And I've tried the liquid lipsticks, I absolutely love them, and I've also tried the eyeshadow palettes and where you get the blush and the highlighter and things like that. I love them as well, but they are discontinuing them, so it's really annoying that I can't get my hands on them. So if you guys want to try them out, definitely go and purchase them now because they are discontinuing them, so they will be going out very soon. So I actually saw 2 things on there that I've never tried out before, and everything was buy one get one free. I think it might still be by the time that you watch this video, but I'm not too sure. I will link it down below for you so you can check it out if it is. And I decided to get these 2 things right here, and these are the glow up palettes. I don't know if you can see from all of my lighting. So you have the warm and the cool tone ones. So this is what the warm one looks like. You get highlighter and contour in there, and then you also have the cool one, which is this one right here. So this one's all cool shades and the other one's warm tone shades. And I like to self tan, so when I'm self tanned I do like to have warm shades, and then when I'm pale I like to have the cool tone shades, or sometimes if I do want to warm up my skin I will have the warm ones. So this is what the warm toned ones look like. As you can see, you get 2 highlighters, a contour and a bronzer in there, and this is what the cool tone shades look like. So you get the 2 highlighters and the 2 contours in there as well. And I like the fact that you get a mirror in there. I like that they're also cruelty free, and I've tried out things from Illuminate Cosmetics and I really do like them, so I've got very high hopes for these. I've never tried them out before, so I don't know how they are, so if you do want to see a first impression, just let me know and I'll put that video up on my channel as well. And I also purchased another lip kit from Cab Cosmetics, and if you guys watch my channel you'll know that I really love the Cab Cosmetics lip products, and I decided to go ahead and get Glazed again, and it's one I'm wearing at the moment. I have the gloss and also the lipstick on, and I absolutely love these. So as you can see, I haven't opened it because it's still in the wrapper, but this is my favourite lip kit. This stays on all day, it just feels so nice and soft on the lips, and the reason why I got this was because they were having a sale on, I think it was like say $15 on all the lip kits, or it was like 25% off or something like that. So I decided to go ahead and purchase one of these because they're just so good, and I always wear this lip kit, and as you can see it's the perfect pinky nude for my skin tone as well. So the next things that I purchased are from Colourpop, and I saw just before Christmas they released a brand new collection and I was so excited to try it out, and I looked on there and I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and get both of the sets, and these are the Frozen 2 sets. So I got the Elsa one, which is right here, and they do also sell these individually as well. They also sell them in a set of 2, so I decided to go ahead and get both of them. So this one is the Eyeliner one, and I'm so excited because I've actually never tried anything other than the lip products from Colourpop, and I really do like them, and I've never tried out their eyeshadows or anything like that, and everyone's saying how good they are. So in these sets you get the eyeshadow palette, you also get the glitter, the lipstick and the lip gloss, and that is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So it's just absolutely stunning. I just love all the shades in here, and like I mentioned, I've never actually tried any of the Colourpop eyeshadows before, so it's going to be a whole first impression for me. I will be doing some makeup tutorials using these as well, just so I can recreate the looks and see how they go, but I am so excited. So at the moment you can buy both the sets for $57 in total. I think I got free shipping when I purchased these. So this one is what the Elsa one looks like as well. So that is what the eyeshadows look like, and I think these are absolutely stunning. So all the ones for Elsa, they are cool tones, all the ones for Anna are warm tones, and I'm just so excited to try these out. And just look at these boxes, just look at how cute they are. The next thing that I have, I am so excited for. I purchased this and literally it came within a couple of days, and it came all the way from America, and this is what I have. So it's the Tati Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I am so excited for this. Now I saw that loads of people purchased it. I haven't seen any reviews on it because I wanted to do a first impression on my own and see how I feel about it. So this is what I have, and I am so beyond excited, and this is the volume 1 that she brought out, and I know that people have been raving about this, and this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. So you have all of the 6 shades down here. You have the matte ones, you have the foil ones, you have shimmers, so you have loads of different types of the same shade. I follow her on YouTube and I just think she's so sweet. She knows so much about makeup, and I know for a fact that all this is going to be really good because she's tested out so many different products, and she's really brutal with things. If she doesn't like something, she will say that she doesn't like it, and I feel like she's probably going to create an eyeshadow palette that is amazing. So I will do a first impression on this, and I really can't wait to try it out. And the last things that I got are from Boots, and I got quite a lot of stuff from Boots. As you can see, it's overflowing right here. So this one is probably what's going to take me the most amount of time to go through because I purchased so much stuff from there. So I'm going to show you the skincare items first because I've got skincare and also makeup. So the first thing that I have is this Estee Lauder Powerful Nighttime Renewal. So I basically wanted the Advanced Night Repair, and I saw this set, and you get the full size Advanced Night Repair. You also get a little concentrate, a little eye one, and then also some cleansing foam as well. And I thought this was a really good deal because I think this actually worked out to be the same price as if you were just to buy the Advanced Night Repair on its own. And I basically got this for free because I got it on my Boots points, which I love Boots for, and I think it was about £50 something, which is a lot of money, but when you know that it's a product that's going to be working really well, I decided to go ahead and get it, and like I mentioned, it was basically free. Then I also purchased the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Serum, and this I have been wanting for a very long time. So I've been really into my skincare recently. I do use Lizelle and I absolutely love it. It's amazing on my skin, doesn't make me break out or anything like that. And I've tried the Estee Lauder Face Serum for a while and I really did like it, which is why I purchased the Advanced Night Repair set. And I decided I was going to go ahead and get the eye version because my eye cream has just decided to run out. I think it's also discontinued as well, which is really annoying for me. And because I do have very sensitive eyes, I find it very hard to find an eye cream for me. And because I'm 27 now, I feel like I need something that can depuff my eyes and also make sure that I don't have any wrinkles or anything like that, because I have noticed that when I smile, I do have a couple right here, but it's because I'm a very smiley person, so that would probably be the reason why. So I got this, I think it was about 50 something pounds, but they did do a 15% off in Boots when I got this as well. I actually bought this the other day, so they did have the 15% off, so I did save a lot of money on it. This one is 15 millilitres or 0.5 fluid ounces. Now I know that it is expensive for what it is, but this is supposed to be an amazing product, and I have tried out a lot of the Estee Lauder skincare and it's absolutely amazing. And when you think that skincare is one of those where you really need to invest in, I thought I'd go ahead and try these out. So those are the skincare items, and I'm going to go ahead and go on to all the makeup that I purchased. And I have quite a lot of stuff in here, and I also did get some really good bargains as well. So the first thing that I got is this Bareminerals Bare Skin Pure Brightening Serum Foundation, and this is what it looks like. So I actually only got this for £5. It's actually reduced even more. I think I got it for like £4.50 because it was reduced after the £5. This is in the shade Bare Sand. I have absolutely no idea what this foundation is like. I have no idea if this colour is going to match me as well, because I didn't really get to test this out because I didn't have any testers. I think this has been discontinued, so I don't really know if it's worth doing a first impression on or a video on. So we'll have to have a look and see if this is still available. But I got this for so much cheaper than it was meant to be. I think this is like 30 odd pounds normally. So I picked up this. It was the closest one that I could find to my skin because this one has a warm undertone, and because I tan, I do have a warm undertone. So hopefully it's going to be good, but we don't know. And I purchased another foundation, and this is the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation, and this is what it looks like. And I got the shade Medium Olive in this because I did colour match myself, but I was very quick at doing it because I basically was in there, needed to get my stuff and then leg it. So I decided to purchase this because it was brand new in Boots, and I'm actually wearing it at the moment. I'm currently doing a first impression, so we're going to see how it holds up with all these lights and things like that and see how it goes. So the first impression will probably be up before this video is, so if it is, I'll put it in this video or somewhere down below so you can check it out and see how it goes. But so far I'm liking the way that it looks, and it is a pretty good colour match as well. So even though I did it very quickly, I managed to get a pretty good match. And this is a repurchase for me. I absolutely love this. I use this all the time. It makes my makeup stay on all day. It is amazing. It doesn't break me out or anything like that. It's long wearing. Also, I do have very oily skin, but I can use this on its own. I haven't tried the matte one, but I've heard that's meant to be really good. But I don't even need to use the matte one because this one keeps my oils at bay all day as well. I think this was like £10 because I did have an offer on Boots when I got it. So it is expensive for what it is because this is a travel size. I do want to go ahead and get the big size, but I do travel quite a lot to different places, and I have a very minimalist makeup bag that I use every single day. So for the moment it doesn't really make sense for me to get the big size, so I decided to go ahead and get the smaller size. And the next thing that I have is the Florence by Mills Zero Chill Face Mist, and this is what it looks like. So I saw so many amazing reviews on this. I also did try out the Florence by Mills makeup and skincare line on my channel, which I'll link down below for you or somewhere in this video so you can check it out. But there is one thing that I've kept constantly in my skincare, and that's the eye pads. Those are the ones that are whales. They are incredible. They just feel so good on the skin. They make my eyes wake up. And I put my eye masks on, and while I keep those on, I do my hair, I have my breakfast, and I get some things ready and get dressed, and then I do my makeup after that, and they feel so good under the eyes. And honestly, you guys really need to try them if you haven't. They are quite expensive. I think they're about £34, but they are incredible. They are so good. They're vegan, they're cruelty free. So that is what the face mist looks like. So it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Haven't tried it out yet, so we'll see how it goes. But so far with the skincare from Florence by Mills, I am really liking it. And if you guys didn't know, which you probably do know, this is the skincare and makeup line from Millie Bobby Brown, who's on Stranger Things. I love Stranger Things, and I'm currently wearing my Stranger Things t-shirt that I have in my last Primark haul, which I absolutely love. I love Billy. Honestly, Billy is my favourite. If I ever got to meet the guy that plays Billy, I would just go crazy because I think he is amazing. And I've also purchased some Wet n Wild products, and I love Wet n Wild makeup. I think it is amazing. I've tried so many things out. Everything that I've tried, I really do like. It's super affordable, and some of the things are in my constant makeup collection, and I use them every single day. So the first thing that I got is this Wet n Wild Megaglo Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. I love this. This is the best highlighter from the drugstore that I've ever tried. It is just so good, lasts all day. It's a blinding highlighter. Also, everything from Wet n Wild is cruelty free, which is amazing. And this one is my favourite shade. This one's Precious Petals. So this one is sort of like the warm one. I also have the one that's a cool toned one as well, and I really like that as well. But this one is my favourite, and it's been sold out for such a long time, so I've had to wait for it to come back in stock. I think this is like £4. It's not a lot of money, and it's so good and lasts all day. Then I also got another highlighter from Wet n Wild. This is the Megaglo Hello Halo, the liquid highlighter, and this is in the shade Halo Goodbye. And I haven't really heard a lot about this highlighter. I saw it and I swatched it and I was like, you know what, this is really, really good. And I don't really use liquid highlighters, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to purchase this, see how it goes. I think this was again about £3, so it's super affordable. They had a couple of different shades. This one I think is the pinky shade, so this one is the lighter shade in the collection, but the other one that they had available was really, really pink, and I don't really want to use that, so I decided to pick up this one. And the last thing that I got from Wet n Wild is another repurchase, and this is the Megalast Liquid Catsuit Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Shells and Whistles, and this is what it looks like. So I use this all the time. I absolutely love it. These are dupes for the Estee Lauder eyeshadows, and I just think these last all day. They're super affordable. This is like £3. And the last things that I have are from NYX, and I have something in here that I've tried before, which I really do like, and then the other things are brand new and things that I've never tried before. So the first things are the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner, and I have two shades in this. I have the jet black, and then I have a glitzy gold one, and this is what they look like. So the black one I use all the time. It is my holy grail. I use it every single day because it is the best eyeliner that I've ever tried in my life. Also, it's waterproof, which is really good. And then this one is a gold one, and I swatched a couple of these and I was like, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and get this one. There's also a bronze one that I'm going to get as well, but this one is sort of like a metallic one, so it worked really well for different makeup tutorials. So like when it's summer, when it's spring, also when it's Christmas, it'll be really good. These are like £6. They're super affordable. They last a very long time. They're waterproof. They stay on all day, and I just think they are so good. And I also purchased a new bronzer, and this is the NYX Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium, and I've seen so many people rave about this bronzer, saying how good it is, and this one seemed to be the best match for me. Also, it's a very close shade to the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I use, and the Bourjois Paris one, which I use all the time as well. So I decided to go ahead and get this because people were saying how good it is. This is less than £10, and the last things that I got are a limited edition item, and these are the Soft Matte Lip Cream Duo, and this is the Sabrina ones, and this is what they look like. So I got the middle shades. They have the light ones, they have the middle ones, and they have the dark ones. This one is in the shade Fright Club. You get Cannes and Budapest in there as well, and these are the matte lip creams that they do, and I've never tried these out before. My sister has also got this set as well. She really likes the matte lip creams from NYX, and like I said, I've never tried it out, so I'm going to see how they are. Now, these two shades are in the normal collection. It's just limited edition packaging, and I think it works out cheaper to get the duo. I think it's £10 to get the duo, or it's £6 each for the lip creams. And I also want to get the lighter ones because I did do swatches and I really like the shades of the lighter ones. I like these shades as well, but I think I'm probably going to go ahead and get those ones. but I will see how these go and see if I like them, see if they last all day and if they're nice and soft on the lips. So that's everything on my beauty haul. I'm so sorry that this video was super long, but I did have a lot of things that I needed to show you. So if there's anything that you've tried out that you really like, make sure that you just comment down below to let me know what it is, and I'll be sure to check it out. And if you do want to see any videos on any of the products that I've shown you, just let me know as well. And make sure that you give this video a very big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye!